Hello, I'm going to attempt to pick this Master Lock, the M1XDBLF. I just raked it open. It's a level 9 security. Well, now I'm going to try to single pin pick it. Hold on, I'm going to set my timer here. Alright, set my timer here. Okay. Alright, now let's get to it. Put my tensioner in here. One. There we go. Tensioner's in now. There we go. Let's give this a whirl. On. Pin 1's loose. Pin 2's loose. Pin 3's loose. Pin 4's loose. Pin 5 is loose. Start back at the beginning. Put a little bit more tension. Click on 1. 2's loose. 3's loose. Click on 4. Click on 5. Try again. 1's loose. 2's loose. 3's loose. 4's loose. Almost got it. I got like one more pin, I bet, to pick. Let's back up here. Alright, let's start over at the beginning right here. 1, 2, 3. Feels like something on 4. I'm trying, but I'm not getting it. There we go. Click out. I gotta click on it. Alright. Now. Click on 1. Got it. Single pin picked. And wow, that was nice. Okay. Level 9 security. Master lock. Model M1XDBLF. Picked. Alright. Just to show you, it locks and keys work. Here's your key. Works beautifully. So, I have raked and single pin picked this now. Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned something at all, or at least got to see how my skills have improved. And you all try to have a good night and be safe.